Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Mrs. C and today we will be learning about adding fractions with butterfly method. How to do the butterfly method? First, multiply the numerators and denominators diagonally. Write the result above. For example, we have 2/5 plus 3/4. Multiplying the numerators and denominators, we will obtain 8 for the first fraction and then 15 on the second fraction. Next to do is to multiply the denominators to get a new denominator. In this example, we have 5 and 4 as denominators. If we multiply them together, we can get 20 as the new denominator. Next to do is to add the numerators. In this example, we obtain 8 and 15 as the new numerators. If we combine them together, we can get 23 as the result. Right after adding the numerators, we can now copy the denominator to have a result of 23 over 20. The last thing to do is do not forget to simplify our fraction to its lowest form. In this particular example, we obtain an improper fraction, so we are going to change it to mixed number. Our result a while ago is 23 over 20. So if we are going to divide the numerator by the denominator, we will obtain an answer of 1 and 3/20.